In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Home button in Chrome. If you want faster access to a specific page every time you browse, turning on the Home button in Google Chrome is a simple and useful setting. This adds a small home icon near the address bar, making it easier to jump back to your preferred page with a single click. Let's walk through the process together. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully launched and visible on your screen before moving on. This tutorial is specifically for the desktop version of Chrome, so the layout may look a little different if you're using a mobile device. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the More icon, which looks like three vertical dots. Click that icon to open Chrome's main menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open a new tab where you can manage and customize different parts of the browser. Inside the settings page, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. You'll see a list of categories that control different browser features. Click on Appearance. This section contains the visual and interface-related options for Chrome, including toolbar display settings. Now that you're in the Appearance section, scroll if needed until you find the option labeled Show Home button. When you see it, switch the toggle to On. As soon as you enable it, Chrome will activate the Home button and place it on the toolbar. At this point, the Home button should be visible near the address bar. If you don't notice it right away, give the browser a second and check the toolbar carefully. In some cases, resizing the window or reopening Chrome can help you confirm that the setting has been applied. That's all it takes to enable the Home button in Chrome. It's a small change, but it can make your browsing experience more convenient, especially if you regularly return to the same page throughout the day. If you're adjusting Chrome settings for productivity or ease of use, the Appearance section is a great place to explore. It includes several options that can help you personalize how your browser looks and behaves. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to enable the Home button in Chrome.